Good afternoon, YouTube. It is Monday the 28th of March today, and I am back out wild camping after my adventures, my ghost adventures on Friday, which was a lot of fun. Keith and I really enjoyed it. We did see some ghosts, so if you haven't watched that video, it's worth a watch. We scared some girls. We got told off. It was good. We really enjoyed ourselves. But tonight I am meeting another YouTuber. I've agreed to meet Novice Wild Camper, Michael. He was aiming to arrive at the Four Winds car park at around 3ish, I think. I had to pick up my daughter from school, and so I'm a little bit late. It's about 4:30 now, I think. So I'm gonna make my way up to Great Mis now. And that's very kind of Michael to invite me out tonight with his friend. I feel like, you know, like when you go to a dinner party or someone's house, you feel like you've got to buy them a gift to say thank you. So I did feel like I had to get him a gift. But what do you buy Michael from Novice Wild Campers? The guy even makes his own ultralight tables that many of you have probably purchased. So what do you get him as a thank you? Flowers? A dead man's finger? Definitely not this. This will do. Very windy today, so hopefully you can hear me. This is the first time I've ever been to Great Mis, so hopefully I'm walking on the right track. On the map it said there was a track that led pretty much all the way up, so hopefully I'm on the right one. It wouldn't be the first time I've got lost. I'm not sure if they're there yet, but they probably are, so they've probably pitched their tents by now. It's a beautiful day, but it's very, very windy. Good job I bought the Fjallraven tent today rather than the nature hike one, which I was going to bring. Felt a bit of a hypocrite today. I took my daughter to school this morning and she said hello to some kind of stranger at the park by the school. And I said, like, shouldn't really speak to strangers, Pops. Then it suddenly dawned on me when she said, I hope you have a good camp later, Daddy, that I'm meeting two people that I've never met before. In the middle of nowhere, in a glorified kind of bin bag as a shelter. It's just like, how can I say, don't speak to strangers when I'm just about to camp on Dartmoor with two of them? But weird, isn't it? What an absolute idiot. Halfway up, I was nearly at Little Mis Tor. I realised I've left my bloody tent in the car. It's about to run all the way back down. I'm knackered. Still got to walk all the way back up. What an idiot. Very unorganised today. And they've probably seen me walking up and then running back down again. I've been on this route before, but for some reason it looks incredibly familiar. So we are all pitched up now. I have joined Paul from A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors. I think that's what his channel is called. If it's not, I will put the link in the description below. And Michael from Novice Wild Campers. They're going through their tents and telling their subscribers what's in them. There's Paul's Scarp 1 behind me, and Michael is in the Lanchan 1. I am in the Fjallraven Light Bisco 1.
Smile for the camera. Good morning, YouTube. Didn't do a lot of filming last night. Having a good old chat with Michael and Paul. Went to bed about 10ish, I think. It was a really nice evening. Got a bit cold from the inn, so decided to call it a night. Didn't have the best of sleeps, if I'm completely honest, because my Klymit sleep mat deflated all night. So I was kind of sleeping on the floor because every time I pumped it up, it then deflated again. So that will be going back to wherever I bought it, Valley and Peak, I think. Yeah, so not the best of sleeps, but a great camp.
So, I'm all packed away now. It's just gone around 7 o'clock. Tent only takes about 10 minutes to pack away now. Now that you're used to pitching and packing up, you can get it done a lot quicker. Paul and Michael are just packing their tents away as we speak. It's been a really good camp. Really enjoyed meeting up with Paul and Michael. Hopefully we can do it again